National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, north central Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lakewood Shores, or 7 miles east of Wilmington, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peatone, Bourbonnais, Mantino, Wilton Center, Simon, and Bradley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.